business and non-taxable incomes. So it is a non-business income. So therefore it is deducted here. Refund of excise penalty. Refund of excise penalty, that is given as rupees 25,000. Sorry, this is refund of excise penalties rupees 50,000. 50,000. And the next item. The next item is interest on securities. See, interest on securities is an item which comes under income from other sources. So therefore this is not a business income. It has to be eliminated. And likewise, rent from house property is not a business income which comes under the head house property to be eliminated. And then by profit on sale of shares, again it is a income coming under income from other sources, though it has to be eliminated. And then by share of income from HUF. So this is not at all an income. It is not a taxable income, because as we know that, so under income tax 1 we have studied that, say, any share of income from HUF is taxable in the hands of the karta of the family. So therefore it is not taxable in the hands of the receiver as a share. So therefore this is to be eliminated as an exempted income, or let us say here it is as a non-taxable income. So therefore all these items are to be eliminated here now. So we already eliminated the excise duty penalty. So now interest on securities 25,000. Interest on securities 25,000. And then we have rent from house property 1,20,000. Rent from house property